Our Magahaga called on lawmakers for a special session for the Prutehi I Hanom Act of 2019. The proposed bill is an act to protect the waters of Guam by authorizing the acquisition of specialized legal services to assist in actions to ensure clean and safe water on island. In a letter from the governor to Speaker Tina Muñoz Barnes, the governor wants to address the chemicals in our water called PFAS chemicals. These chemicals, known as forever chemicals because they do not break down, are linked to health impacts ranging from elevated cholesterol to reproductive harm to developmental delays and even an increased risk of certain cancers. In her letter, Leon Guerrero writes, quote, "The federal government knows that these chemicals have been used excessively at the military bases on island. There's no doubt that their use has detrimentally affected our island's water sources. We must educate ourselves on the extent of damage caused by these said chemicals and identify those responsible," end quote. The governor further explains that while the Guam Waterworks Authority tries their best to purify waters, the issue of responsibility remains unaddressed. She says, quote, "My bill will allow the Attorney General to act swiftly to identify the best legal experts to ensure success in any potential litigation," end quote. This follows the governor's most recent meetup with cultural and environmental activists who collectively questioned her noted support of the military buildup for the sake of national security. Within the angry crowd that filled Adaloop's large conference room earlier in the week, a question was asked of the governor relative to her intent to sacrifice the island's waters for the sake of national security. To this, our Magahaga reiterated and clarified her position support of the buildup, that it wasn't for the anticipated economic gain, but rather for potential threats from countries like China and North Korea.